When making breadcrumbs, you need gadgets like your blender. You need a lot of things. You need your oven to dry the bread. But with this recipe, we don't need anything like that. And trust me, we are going to get that perfect outcome. And I'm just going to add some things to the breadcrumbs to add some flavor and then taste to it, because I know usually we use only bread for this recipe, but mine is different. Nice to meet you. This is Lena and welcome to my kitchen. If today is the first time here, please do not make it the last time of visiting. So we need bread for this recipe, and I don't know why normally when you go to homes different homes, they don't actually enjoy their first slice of bread, and so as mine. Okay, so now I decided to keep them, and as you can see on the screen, most of the times people put it in the oven to dry, and I am not going to do that. Okay, I kept it on top of my counter, and then they became dry themselves. Okay, so you can see the other one being burnt because that one is not the first slice of a bread. Okay, but I used it to prepare sandwich for the family. Okay, and I think one of them did not eat it, so I decided not to discard it. I can't waste things like that, so I kept that one as well on my countertop, and they became dry. If you keep bread without you keeping it in a rubber or something, they become very dry. So that is why I did not use any oven, because it is not everyone who has oven. Now, as they have become very dry, this is how we are going to do it. Okay, I'm just going to break it like this. At this period, you need your food processor or your blender to blend this, but not everyone has this, so I'm just going to break it with my hand. Should you have mortar and pestle, you can just go ahead and use it to break it, or you can use anything to break it. It can be bottle, it can be anything. Okay, but I am just going to use my hands so that it will not be like I don't have what you are using. Now, after I was done breaking this for about 10 minutes, okay, I used about 10 minutes or 5, and this is how it looks. You can see the look, you can see some chunks in there. So I am just going to do it the way you're seeing on the screen, and then select those big chunks, and we can continue. So I selected it with my hands, and this is what we have now. So I'll proceed with the breaking, and then I will show you the next thing we are supposed to do. That is for those who don't have blender, food processor, you don't have anything to break it. Okay, now this is what I'm going to use to strain it. Okay, because we don't want the breadcrumbs to be very smooth. That is not what I want to achieve, so I'm just going to use this. So you can use anything to strain it according to how smooth or rough you want it. This is what we have now, and just look at that. We did not use any blender, any food processor, anything, but just with our hands, and we got that perfect outcome. I'm just going to add something. So when you get to this point, you are done with your breadcrumbs, but this is what I want to add. I added some parsley, I added my garlic salt, and then I added some smoked paprika, my chili powder, and basil. So I'll just mix everything, and then we continue. Are you still with me? Thank you so much for your time. Please do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. We do short videos on TikTok, Instagram, and our YouTube shorts. They are very detailed recipes. Keep it in the airtight container, please. I did this about 6 months ago, and I'm doing this voiceover on September 11th, which is today. It is still perfect. I have not used it yet, okay, but I'll be bringing you recipe that I use this for, and trust me, you will love it. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to take good care of yourself, eat healthy, and please do not forget to subscribe for more videos. And thank you so much, my returning ones. See you in the next one. I love you so much. Bye-bye.